Hi students, welcome to Chemistry tutorial. In this video, let's see Class 8 Science Curiosity Chapter 12 Multiple Choice Questions and Assertion and Reasoning Questions. Question number 1. Living and non-living things interact to form habitat, ecosystem, community, population. The correct option for this is answer B, ecosystem. Question number 2. Which is a non-living component? Plants, animals, air, bacteria. Correct option C, air. Question number 3. Green plants are called consumers, producers, decomposers, scavengers. The correct option for the answer is B, producers. Question number 4. Animals that eat plants are carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, decomposers. Answer B, herbivores. Question number 5. Animals that eat flesh are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, producers. Correct answer is B, that is carnivores. Question number 6. Organisms that break down dead matter are producers, consumers, decomposers, herbivores. Answer C, decomposers. Question number 7. Example of decomposer: dog, mushroom, cow, tiger. Answer B, mushroom. Question number 8. A simple food chain start with carnivore, producer, herbivore, omnivore. Answer B, producer. Question number 9. Which of the following is a producer? Grass, goat, lion, human. Answer A, grass. Question number 10. Food chain shows energy flow, water cycle, air movement, soil formation. Answer A, energy flow. Question number 11. Multiple food chain form food web, ecosystem, habitat, cycle. Answer A, food web. Question number 12. Balance in nature depends on only plants, only animals, interaction of all organisms, only decomposers. Answer C, interaction of all organisms. Question number 13. Which is an abiotic factor? Plant, animal, water, bacterium. Answer C, water. Question number 14. Energy in ecosystem comes from moon, sun, water, soil. Answer B, sun. Question number 15. Which organisms eat both plants and animals? Herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, decomposers. Answer C, omnivore. Question number 16. First level of food chain is consumer, producer, decomposer, carnivore. Answer B, producer. Question number 17. Plants use sunlight to produce oxygen only, food, water, heat. Answer B, food. Question number 18. Removing one organism's effect. Nothing. Entire ecosystem. Only plants. Only animals. Answer B, entire ecosystem. Question number 19. Decomposers help in killing animals, recycling nutrients, producing sunlight, absorbing oxygen. Answer B, recycling nutrients. Question number 20. Which is a food web example? Single chain, network of food chain, one organism, one plant. Answer B, network of food chains. Question number network of food chains. Question number 21. Which is biotic factor? Soil, air, plant, water. Answer C, plant. Question number 22. Which cycle maintains oxygen balance? Water cycle, carbon cycle, oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle. Answer C, oxygen cycle. Question number 23. Which cycle involves evaporation and rainfall? Carbon cycle, water cycle, oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle. Answer B, water cycle. Question number 24. Plants take carbon dioxide and release nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, helium. Answer B, oxygen. Question number 25. Harmony in nature means no living things, balance among organisms, only plants survive, only animals survive. Answer B, balance among organisms. Next, let's see assertion and reasoning. Some instructions are given here. Option A means both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. B, both are true, but R is not the correct explanation. C, A is true, R is false. D, A is false, R is true. We want to mention the options here. First one, assertion. Producers are important in ecosystem. Reason, they make food using sunlight. Answer for this one is correct option is A. That is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next, question number 2, assertion. Decomposers are not useful. Reason, they recycle nutrients. Answer D. D means A is false, R is true. Question number 3, that is assertion. Food chain show energy flow. Reason, energy passes from one organism to another. Option is A. Question number 4, assertion. Carnivores eat plants. Reason, herbivores eat plants. Answer D. Question number 5, assertion. Removing one species affect ecosystem. Reason, organisms are interdependent. Answer A. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 6, assertion. Sun is the main source of energy. Reason, plants use sunlight for photosynthesis. Answer is A, option A. Question number 7, assertion. Food web is stronger than food chain. Reason, it has multiple connections. Answer, option A. Question number 8, assertion. Abiotic factors are living. Reason, they include air and water. Correct option is D. Question number 9, assertion. Decomposes clean environment. Reason, they break down dead organisms. Answer, the correct option is A. Question number 10, assertion. Plant depends on animals. Animals release carbon dioxide used by plants. Answer is option A. Question number 11, all organisms depend directly on sun. Reason, the sun is the ultimate source of energy. Answer, option B. Question number 12, assertion. Plants are called autotrophs. A reason, they make their own food using sunlight. Answer, option A. Question number 13, herbivores eat primary consumers. Reason, they feed on producers. Answer, option A. Question number 14, assertion. Food web is a single linear chain. Reason, it shows only one path of energy flow. Answer, option D. Question number 15, assertion. Decomposes increase soil fertility. Reason, they convert dead matter into nutrients. Answer, option A. Question number 16, assertion. Animals cannot survive without plants. Reason, plants produce oxygen and food. Answer, option A. Question number 17, assertion. Carbon dioxide is not useful for plants. Reason, plants use carbon dioxide in photosynthesis. Answer, D. Question number 18, assertion. Food chains always start with the consumers. Reason, producers make food. Answers, option D. Question number 19, assertion. Ecosystem includes only living things. Reason, it includes both biotic and abiotic components. Answer, option D. Question number 20, assertion. Removing decomposes will disturb balance. Removing decomposes will disturb balance. Reason, waste and dead matter will accumulate. Option A. Question number 21, assertion. Omnivores occupy more than one trophic level. Reason, they eat both plants and animals. Answer, option A. Question number 22, assertion. Energy decreases at each trophic level. Reason, some energy is lost as heat. Answer, option A. Question number 23, assertion. Nitrogen cycle is important for plants. Reason, plants need nitrogen to grow. Answer, option A. Question number 24, assertion. All animals are consumers. Reason, they depend on each organism for food. Answer, option A. Question number 25, assertion. Balance in nature is permanent and never change. Reason, natural systems are dynamic. The correct answer for this, option D. That's all. MCQ and assertion reason gets over. We'll meet in the next video. Like, share and subscribe Chem Free Tutorial. Thank you.